But that's how you can test it to see it there.
I don't know.
Alright, and then did you guys record your own and get some of your own data and then
I have one of the videos.
Okay, that's fine. Just make sure you get data from that, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Mike, you're gonna be famous.
Someone stole my phone.
Someone stole your phone. Ryan.
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 My phone, bud.
I don't know. Give me my phone back, Scott.
Where's my phone?
I will
Where's my
hurt
phone?
you
Where's my phone?
immensely.
Where's my phone?
Immensely.
Why did you steal his phone?
The way
Because I didn't and Micah wasn't near it. Actually, it might have been Logan.
Scott is looking. Scott's
that's
looking
my
up
name.
inappropriate
He
stuff.
stole my phone.
That's still, yep, that's still my name. You still got it spot on. Great job, champ.
Hey, no,
Where are the
no, no, no,
headlights?
no. I'll have lights. Pick that up.
Oh, those are these little like dots there.
Do it yourself. It's not my job to check every little thing.
I only see one.
Who's this guy?
Where's the other one?
Great project at the end.
Scott's messing with us.
You decided it's good. You trust yourself. Are you happy with it?
Wait, who failed?
I didn't know Eric didn't do that.
What?
Anthony failed the project.
Where's my phone, pal?
Didn't connect with it.
Where's my phone?
No.
Hey, Scott, you want to build Logan's Lego set?
I want to find my phone.
Yeah, I don't have it.
That wasn't very clear. I think you should put an arrow to which one goes first here.
Yup.
No, stop, stop.
Scott,
I don't have your
he's
phone.
right.
Sit down. Give him his phone. Whoever has his
I don't
phone.
have his
Where
phone.
was it?
He did. Ryan had it.
No, I
Ryan had
didn't.
it.
Actually, I'm not a
I don't
snitch.
care.
Ryan didn't have it.
Man, put on God, I had it.
I'm gonna put the weapon down.
Yeah, Micah, you're a smart boy.
My cats do this to me while I sleep.
Huh?
I will love you more if you continue.
Ben, I think you guys should really have some arrows. I feel like it would be very
Hello,
beneficial.
kitty.
Okay.
But
Dude,
no,
what is this
you kitty.
picture?
Hey,
Dude,
don't
just-
judge. Don't judge.
Where am I supposed to put this piece?
Hey,
Okay.
you dumbass.
Now you gotta take time.
Guys, I don't think this is an original piece.
How do you just assemble it?
Yeah, it is.
It actually is.
Where are the
We
other?
had different colored
Where are the
rims.
tire pieces for these?
Right in front of you.
I think the other one.
Yeah, I'm making a note here that Micah
Oh, it's in there.
is blind.
The struggle
Yeah.
is you can't see the pieces. They're just so small.
Oh, now you're getting germs all
Take it
over.
one more time.
Mike's getting AIDS on the
Yeah, pull
pieces.
off the piece like a weirdo. Oh my god.
How do I get this?
Make sure the piece
Hey.
Put away, pal. Oh my god, it's not that hard.
It's not
Look
that
it in
hard.
place.
It's a Lego.
You just like click
Push it in
it?
by the middle.
Of course.
Ah, there we go. That was easier.
I'd say some things, but he's recording.
These pieces are already together. It's just it's not supposed to be
That
there.
looks exactly like the original.
What? No.
Why does this piece have a sticker, but on On-Shape there's no sticker?
Mine just looks
Okay,
really,
fella, keep
really
going.
You want to make a sticker on Onshape?
Yeah.
Because you're a nerd.
I could turn the car into a freaking rover with two.
No,
big
Nathan
sticks
did.
sticking out
Nathan
of it.
did. I turned
Where is
the
it?
car into the car.
Scott, give him the Lego piece.
Where's your piece? Where's your model?
Nathan's currently building.
Scott, take apart the Lego set, the Lego guy, so he can put it together.
Gotta take it all the way apart.
So Monday we should be all done with Andre.
Oh my God, you dumb.
Whoa, you're recording. I keep on the video.
I'm sorry.
Our classmates start testing come Monday. So if you are not done with that, you need to get done with that.
This is also on the set. It's just rebuilt.
So you should all be like Micah on Monday, diligently attempting to put the Lego pieces together. Struggling a little bit because you guys made kind of poor directions,
It's
but
just
this is
'cause
what
it-
you
it's
guys
just
are doing directions.
It's just because of his
Micah
caveman brain.
is dumb.
These directions are terrible. There's no arrows. I don't know where to put
But
anything.
remember, we need to make it for
Ty.
Like 5-year-olds.
This is how actual Lego instructions are.
Yeah, ours is
Where's the
literally-
head? Oh, it's in the
Y'all just
car.
trying to figure?
There's no face. So
We didn't have to make that.